Hello dear subscribers. Today I will tell you how you can fix this error. Here you can see it, 0xa00f4244. So this error is that you can't find your camera. So for fixing it, we just need to go to Search tab, choose here Troubleshoot. First, we need to try to repair it automatically, so we will find maybe here some video playback. Search recording, power, network adapter, keyboards. So here we can't find our camera, so maybe we can try to find this camera in internet connections or Windows update from this things, but the best way I will show you. We just open Search tab, and here in Search tab we just write rec edit. Here you can see it, registry editor. So just click yes. So here you must open, I will show you what you must open. H key local machine, my system. Sorry, not system but software. So we choose software here, and in software we open Microsoft. Here you can see Microsoft, and in Microsoft we choose Windows Media. Just go down. Windows Media Foundation. Here you can see this folder. So here you choose, just click on it. You will choose here, find here platform, and just click on platform and right click on button, new, word 32 bits, and just write name enable frame server mod. And just click enter. So after you write it, just click 2 times, and value data must be null. So just check this, if here it is null, 0, and just click OK. So here you can see how you must name it, enable frame server mod. So after you do it, just close your window, restart your computer, and your problem will be fixed. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.